Hello, I'm back and I have here the 1060 GTX from ASUS Strix, the overclocked edition, which has the lightning madness with RGB on the front of the card. And just let's have a look at the graphic card itself. Inside this box we have another box with a Strix logo on the front. Inside we have another box and a protective foam. Here's the box. Have here some new headphones from ASUS. I don't actually care. We get two Velcro ties with the Republic of Gamers logo. The CD with drivers that you're not supposed to use, and the user manual in so many languages. That's pretty much it in the box. Now there's another protective foam, and there's the massive graphic card. Oh, it's really heavy. Okay, so this is a graphic card. It's a massive and heavy graphic card from ASUS. Very good build quality and a really nice backplate that gives like a premium look. Here's our 8-pin connector from the power supply. There's a logo with the Republic of Gamers that's gonna light up. Here we have our connectors. There's some plastic covers. We have one DVI port, two HDMI and two mini display ports. So that's enough connections. Here on the front is where you're gonna see the RGB lighting. And here, as I said, the logo on the back is not gonna light up like the one on the 1070 or the 1080, but you're gonna see a little bit later why I don't actually care about that. There are a few things that I like about this one. The fans will not spin because the heatsink is massive, and the fans will not spin if it's enough airflow inside your case. They will start spinning whenever the graphic card will reach over 60 degrees. I'll not recommend to install this graphic card inside the small case because will not be enough airflow, and as I said, it's a really massive, if you hold it, gonna see it's a really massive graphic card. Now I'm gonna install my graphic card inside the case. And I'm gonna show you why I don't actually care about the RGB logo on the back, because I'm actually not gonna see it. And here we have Mr. Thermal Take riser. It's a pci-e extender cable. It has 20 centimeters. That's gonna be enough. Now I have to mount this pci-e cable onto the GPU support bracket that came with my case. That's specially designed to place the GPU in a vertical position. Remember to plug the pci-e cable into the first slot for the maximum performance. That's very important. It's all plugged. That's all secured now. Has to hold my monster GPU. don't forget to connect your cables from your power supply, like I almost did. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, I don't see the ROG logo from the back, so I don't care about the RGB lining on the back of the graphic card, because I have all the amazing lights on the front of it. I choose 1060 because I'm only playing 1080p high resolution gaming. I'm not gonna go on 4K. If you are planning to play on 4K resolution, yes, go for 1070, 1080. But for what I need, that's the perfect graphic card. It's the most beautiful graphic card on the market as well. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet.